From the shores of Lake Victoria to Mount Elgon's peak, we stretch our arms wide open, a new day we seek. With every yawn we release, tension melts away, united in our mission for a brighter Uganda we pray. Yawning Ambassadors, hear our nation's call. Together we stand tall, divided we fall. Our yawns bring relief from Kampala to Gulu, embracing who we are, Uganda renewed. In villages and cities, our message spreads far and wide. No more stifling our true selves, no more need to hide. With each expansive breath, we grow strong and free, building connections, nurturing empathy. Yawning Ambassadors, hear our nation's call. Together we stand tall, divided we fall. Our yawns bring relief from Kampala to Gulu, embracing who we are, Uganda renewed. Tukolagane, with open hearts and minds, Twayuya Kuangula, leaving fear behind. Our yawns echo across the Pearl of Africa, inspiring change from Bale to Mbarara. Yawning Ambassadors, hear our nation's call. Together we stand tall, divided we fall. Our yawns bring relief from Kampala to Gulu, embracing who we are, Uganda